One of the classic setups in day trading, or any style of trading, is the pullback buy, or bullish retracement buy, or core buy. A number of different ways of calling this. But it's a stock that's in an uptrend, or beginning to create an uptrend, that has just pulled off of a new high and is coming into some type of support. And here our support here is the rising 20 moving average. This is a 15-minute chart, so we're looking at a day trade. I really like the volume associated with the rise that happened here, and this pullback looks quite nice, and I've got a doji candle, which means the open and the close are roughly the same, indicating indecision or exhaustion of the current move. So my expectation is the stock is going to rise out of this pullback and continue in its current uptrend. With that in mind, I place a trigger to enter above the high of this candle with a stop below the low of this candle. The high of this candle is 1173 and the low is 1149. What ended up happening is I caught this a little bit late. I got in at $11.88 with my stop in at $11.48. So the market started to move, and let's travel forward. I filled here as the market started to break up. Remember my protective stop is down here below the low of this candle, 1148. Then the market continues to rise. Now my target for this particular trade was 13. I saw this 200 period moving average coming down on the 15-minute chart, and I thought that was significant enough resistance that I'd be getting out roughly at that level. So I had a limit order to get out of this trade at $13. So if we can see it tag that $13 price, that would be the point at which I'd gotten out of the trade. And that's where we hit it. Now immediately the stock erupted all the way up to $13.50 and then hung out at this 39 level for quite some time. I kicked myself a little bit because the market really took off after this point, and if I'd been closely watching, I might have not just gotten out at 13 but tracked the stock a little bit closer. I'm very happy I got 3-to-1 reward risk on this trade, but look what happens from this point forward. The stock really rockets all the way up to roughly 1488 close. So if I had played a little more closer attention and just followed this stock without being too ambitious about taking profits, I would have capitalized on more. But nonetheless, great trade. Among other great trades I had on Friday. I wish you all luck with your day trades, and please check out all the other great trading videos here at freetradingvideos.com.